Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must stop MySQL now and prepare the destination so files retain ownership. Run sudo systemctl stop mysql or sudo systemctl stop mysql, then create the new directory with sudo mkdir p/new/mysql/data and set ownership to MySQL. Next, use rsync with attributes preserved. Sudo rsync at hxv progress/var/lib/mysql/new/mysql/data/ so all permissions, hard links, and extended attributes are copied. Once the copy finishes, make sure file ownership and timestamps look correct before continuing. Now you change configuration and security contexts so MySQL will accept the new location. Edit /etc/mysql/my, cnf or /etc/my, cnf and set datadir =new/mysql/data, save and close. If AppArmor or SE Linux is active, update their profiles, modify AppArmor's MySQL profile, or use semanage fcontext a t-mysql dbt/new/mysql/data/ and restorecan r/new/mysql/data to apply contexts. Finally, confirm sudo chown r mysql/new/mysql/data, start MySQL and verify operation immediately. Run sudo systemctl start MySQL and then inspect logs with sudo journalctl umysql n200 or tail n200/var/log/mysql/error. Log to catch startup errors. Once running, execute Mysql check all databases or sudo mysql upgrade to ensure table compatibility. If something fails, check that cnf points to the exact new path, ownership is mysql, and AppArmor or SE Linux contexts were applied. Adjust policies or rerun restorecan, recopy data with rsync at hx if corruption is suspected, and then
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.